What's the meaning of Cold Comfort Farm? Cold Comfort Farm. Cold Comfort Farm.
Cold Comfort Farm. Cold Comfort Farm. Cold Comfort Farm is a satirical novel by Stella Gibbons. The title refers to the name of a fictitious farm in Sussex, England. The story follows the young and vibrant Flora Post as she visits her eccentric relatives, the Starcatters, who reside in Cold Comfort Farm. Through Flora's actions, she brings order and structure to the chaotic lives of the Starcatters, resulting in a humorous and entertaining resolution. Overall, Cold Comfort Farm is a witty critique of rural life and a parody of the romanticized novels of the 19th century.